Guys, I just had a nap and I just woke up. And our tripod, what we use for shooting, is actually broken. It got broken. So now in the evening we're gonna go to buy a new tripod. And the Mother Tea stall, what we went, it was the food was yum. So please do visit if you are in Nagpur.
Now children, tell me what is this, children? Yes, it is Naiba Nib. Very good. Now.
So guys, I'm starting my work and I have a Lenovo. I'm using this laptop since 5 years, okay, and it is good to go, okay. So here I start my work. Okay guys, I'm done with my my PPT. I made it, and the topic for today is evolution. So here is the so I hope you like my presentation. So guys, I hope you like my presentation. I'm planning to make chart, okay. So guys, I finished my lecture, okay, and it was like 10 minutes left to complete more, but I finished like at 3:21, yeah. And then ma'am said, like, you know, next lecture would be starting at 3:30 sharp, okay. So they are very particular with the timing, and yeah, because the school timings, like, you know, half an hour lecture, yeah. So now I'm preparing chart, okay. So I'm hungry, yeah. Okay, it's good to go. So I'll be chopping onions first. Wash before you use. So here is onion and tomato. If you don't have chaat masala or any masala which can give your dish flavor, okay, you can just go with basics, okay. Salt, red chili, then haldi, okay, turmeric. So here, yeah guys, I have taken this bowl, okay, and I'll be adding onions, okay. Very simple, okay. How much of onions? I took 1 onion. You can take 2 onions according to the okay, and some chilies. Very easy, okay. You can just have it any time, but do not have it in the night, okay, and early in the morning. Don't have it. It's not eating. So this is chana chur, okay. So this is chana chur, okay. Chana chur in this, and I have mixed it very well. See to that you mix it very well. Plus I'm adding some pinch of salt, okay, and then I'm adding chili powder. See to it, if you don't want to have chili powder so much, do not do that. Do not add much because you already have chilies in it, okay. Little dhania, okay, little, very little. So here we mix up. Even you can put coriander to garnish, okay. And so your chaat is ready. It did not take even 2 minutes or 1 minute, okay. So you can enjoy it at home in the evening or in the afternoon time, but do not eat it in the night or early morning, okay. Let me tell you, it is awesome. It's very tasty. You try it at home, okay. And even if you want, you can add cucumber in that, okay. So there's one more thing today I'm gonna put in vlog. I think tomorrow I would. That's churra, okay, like just a snack for evening, okay. So so guys, this is what mama has chopped: onions and chilies, okay. And here is garlic, okay, and this is dhania, dhania seed, you can say. Then coconut. And these curry leaves, what mama is doing. And auntie is frying these groundnuts. Auntie is helping us with this. You have to do this, you have to fry this groundnut for a very long time. Okay, so that it becomes hard and crunchy. Okay. So basically you say for 10-15 minutes. Yeah. So these are fried ones, okay, and it's actually very hard. Okay. Your auntie is putting some the corn in this, so that it is like a topping for the poha. Gets fried up within 5 seconds, as much I am seeing over here. And you also added onions and chilies. Okay. Okay. So the dhania seeds she's putting up. And then afterwards she'll put curry leaf.
इसको इसमें लगता मसाले.
So it would take little time with this. It should be good. सब कुछ डाल के हो गया ना आंटी? फिर
ये कड़क आएगा तभी वो कुछ कड़क रहता है. तू सीख लेना. हम घर में बनाते नहीं सकते एक आधी किलो. अभी देखो एक बार घर पर नहीं, मेरी काम वाली इसीलिए बना के दे रही. तो मेरे काम में उसमें सुधरती.
Stir it properly because the masala should be cooked properly, and with that the chura would taste yummy. So here main auntie added curry leaves, okay, and trust me guys, many of you would not like this, but it is yummy. It gives flavor to the food and it's also good for your hair growth. Okay, so like if you want to grow your hair, you can fry this curry leaf in the oil for a long time and then extract the oil from that and apply it on your head. With the coconut oil you can. So these are the 3 masalas: turmeric, red chili and dhania powder. Okay, so I think auntie will add in that. It's done brown and auntie added masala and she's adding urad dal and she's stirring it now. And she's gonna add salt. This is what I'm stirring now. You see the flavor, you see the texture, and now she's adding, wow, she's adding poha. Yo. I will be mixing it. So basically all the ingredients are mixed, everything is done. Okay, so I'll show you the final thing. So auntie is adding now. This is the poha. It looks brown in the mobile, but it is yellow. And then she added all toppings. And now she'll mix it very properly. She even added khaskhas, na, Auntie? Khaskhas in that, and salt. So hi guys, good evening everyone. So I'm having my coffee today, yes, and before I end this vlog today, okay, I want to thank all the people who have subscribed to my channel, and those who have liked my channel, those who have liked my videos, yes, and no problem if anyone has disliked also, it's very okay. Okay, whenever I see the other vlogs, okay, and I see that they have so many likes in their videos, and even as compared to the likes, there are dislikes also, but no problem, friends. But I appreciate the ones who are taking time to view my vlogs, yeah, the ones who are okay, the ones who have subscribed my channel, and please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Yes, I will put on more efforts in that, in my videos. Yes, see, today I was thinking what to, what content should I put. Really, yeah, my lessons content was there, but I cannot show you the whole thing, right? So I can only give you the feedback, okay, of my lesson, and because it is not so easy to vlog and then teach, and I do not have a tripod too, so that I have a tripod, but as I told you, the other tripod broke in the morning itself before my mother's shoot, okay, so I've only taken like a second clip, yeah, seconds clip, like 5 seconds or 4 seconds clip of her video, and yes, so guys, bye, and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel F Life. And thank you so much once again, seriously guys, thank you so much. In 2 days I've got 22 subscribers, so please I request you to just share my videos as much as you can, please. Bye, God bless and have a great evening. Bye, love you all.